Let's make birria tacos for the first time. So you're gonna need any cut of beef that you prefer. Chuck and short ribs work the best. Salt it on all sides and then sear on all sides. Then gather your chiles and your peppers. The recipe will be linked down below so you can get the specifics because I know this is moving fast, honey. All right, let's check that sear. Then you're gonna chop everything up. Leave them whole, but chop them up just a little bit. Boil for 15 minutes on a low simmer and then strain that sauce, that consomme, and then blend it. I did this in batches, so now it's time to taste my first batch for seasoning. It was not correct. Next, add yourself a little bit of beef broth because I totally forgot to do that. And blend your next batch and totally splash it everywhere. It's part of the recipe, I promise. Next, taste it again for seasoning just to make sure, and this time it's right, honey. Now put that beef in the slow cooker if you don't have a Dutch oven and set it for 6.5 hours. I'll see y'all then. And we're back. Now it's time to get that delicious birria beef out of the pot. It was falling apart, y'all don't even understand. Actually, you will in this next clip. Look at that fall off the bone. Literally falling off the bone. So good. And you want to taste because that's important in cooking. Do a little dancey dance. Now let's dip the tortilla in some consomme to skim the fat off the top. Throw it in your pan. Let it crisp up on one side. Flip it. Add your cheese. Yes, I'm using mozzarella. Don't add me. And then take your shredded birria beef and put it in there. Fold that joint up like it's a quesadilla and let it get all crispy on both sides. Y'all don't even understand how far this was. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. Okay, so after your birria tacos have been assembled, put them on a plate, a Halloween plate preferably for the spooky vibes even though it's Christmas time. And let's get a close-up. Amazing. Sit yourself down at your favorite spot. This isn't particularly my favorite spot, but it's the best spot to film. Let's get that cheese pull, y'all. Oh, yes. Dip it in that consomme. And this is the first bite. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm reliving the first bite all over again. It's so good. Tender, cheesy, juicy. The consomme is a little spicy and nice and round in flavor. Put a little bit of lime on there. After eating these, you can't help but do a little dancey dance. So get yourself in the kitchen and